Hello everybody, this is Abraham. What I want to show you is a quick video about what not to do. This phone came in for repair and the touch screen is not working. And I've worked on this before. This is a Motorola Droid. Good phone, very thin, very slim. So it took me a while to open it, and as I'm opening and heating up the sides, it's like not coming apart. I was extremely careful. I did take it eventually apart, and this is what I found in there. Please, whoever is doing repairs on the phone, if you don't know what you're doing, please don't do it. Do not use a freaking glue in here. Look at this goop. Just terrible, terrible job. You know, phones fall, and replacement glass phones will fall too, or something will happen. I think after the repair, the phone stopped working, and the reason for it is right here. You can see this little white line. It's not straight. That means this is the touch controller. It's not plugged in right. So whoever did this, I don't know how they did it, but they've screwed up the connection here. I haven't looked closely if it's just a reconnect or if it's actually broken, but man, what a terrible, terrible job. I never knew you could use glue. I mean, anything's possible, and I kind of like to know what kind of glue it is. It's not, it's not bad for other applications. It is a tough stuff, but definitely not for attaching LCD on a phone. Man, it's good stuff, but applied incorrectly. Or if you use this kind of glue, you gotta be kind of careful at applying it on the edges, not just all over the place. So strangely enough, the screen works, the phone works, but you can't do anything because the touch doesn't work. So hopefully this helps somebody avoid situations like this. And if you're buying a phone like this, somebody fixed it, wants to get rid of it. I know it's impossible to look at this on the internet, but again, of course, depends on how much you're paying for it. But if you are looking at it hands on, make sure that the screen is seamlessly attached to the body. That would be a first sign of something has been done to the phone. This screen was not seamless. In fact, it was quite badly attached. I mean, I'm feeling this, and it's so high up, and screen should be flush with this. All right, enough is enough. Thank you for watching.